Today I want to show you the Mueller SpeedSlice apple and pear slicer corer. Basically, this will slice your apple in 8 perfect slices. It's in the box, instruction manual. So there are 3 parts: glide pole, the corer slicer, and the base. Instructions. This is the glide pole. Imagine this part is going here. Okay, clicks into there, and you place the apple here, fit the glide pole, and push it. They claim about 40% easier. Not sure, based on what metric, but we'll give it a try. I think if they had a second glide pole on this side, it would have been more stable. It did cut the apple in perfect 8 slices with the core out. The blade is not quite as sharp as I thought it would be. So I had to try twice to cut the apple. But for around $10, I think this is actually a pretty fun kitchen toy.